Okay, welcome back. This is Motech. I'm Noel Moses Modende. In this video, I'll teach you how to add and remove account in Windows. Also, I'll tell you why it is better to have guest account in Windows. Let's say you have been visited by guest at your home, and after maybe making story or getting food, a guest ask you to use your computer. And unfortunately enough, in your computer or on top of your computer, you have confidential information from your office where you are working it. So it becomes difficult. Can you delete the files and folders? Can you move them into external? Then ball account, then ball your computer to guest, or what can you do? Here it comes that it is better to have guest account and your account. Your account is that which was created during Windows installation, and the guest account is which you create yourself, and it acts like local user or local account. A guest account will have different features. So as you can see, on my desktop I've set a background image. So if we create another guest account, user will have no background image. Also, all these folders present at desktop will not be present at user guest account. Also, some features will be removed. So pay attention. The following are the steps on how you can create guest user account. On your search bar, this is search bar, write user, type user. Now you can see it comes this option, add, edit or remove other users. Click on it. So here there is an option called add someone else to this PC. Click on that. So wait for it to load, then you will fill information which you want for a guest user to be using them. This is very essential. It happens that you have a computer. Also, your young brother or young sister want to use the same computer you use. So it is better to create another account for him or her so that you cannot interrupt your issues, how you store your files, how you store your folders, and so on. So write or type the name of the guest. Let me type guest. That way, password. Let me type guest. As you can see, so once someone will borrow your computer, you will tell him that login into account called guest and the password is guest in small letter. So retype guest password. Here we go. This has a few security question. What was the first pet name? Okay, my first pet name is Sarah or was Sarah. Another security. What is the name of city you were born? Let me type I was born in Mbeya, found in Tanzania. Third question is that what was your child nickname? My child nickname was Moses. So those are the information. So click on next or type different username. Okay, type here my guest, my guest. So now you can see local account is called my guest. So that is how you can create another user or local account. So if you will borrow this PC to someone, you will tell him login into account called my guest and the password is guest. This will prevent, interaction or I mean, those disturbances, those interception of how you store files. Someone can delete files and it will become a big issue. So this is better way. So if you click here, you can see there is account called my guest and the password is guest. This is another local account is called Motec. This is account for all guests who will visit Motec company located in Tanzania in a region called Dodoma. So once you will visit us, you will use this account. It is called Motec2 and the password is Motec. That's the first issue. We have successfully created the account. So how to remove account? If you want to remove account, you can click on that, then remove account. This will take few seconds. Delete account and data. Click delete. Now you can see there is no account called my guest. So this is the end of tutorial on how you can add and create user guest account. I've told you why this is very important. This will will help to separate you and anyone who borrow your computer. Thank you for watching. This is Motec YouTube channel. I'm Noel Moses Modende, famed by Moses. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any issue about computer, you can ask, put comment. If you have any opinion, put comment. What do you want to be taught about computer, about Windows, Word, and so forth? Put comment. I'll be there for you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.